Starting in 5 seconds. The appellant was a school teacher at the Railway Higher Secondary School, Alipur Junction. He taught mathematics to the school children, aggrieved by the judgment of the High Court at Calcutta in WPCT number 130 of 2009. The appellant is before us in appeal by the said judgment. The High Court denied him absolution as an assistant teacher in the higher secondary section and also rejected his claim for continuity in service. The appellant was initially appointed as a substitute teacher on 5/12/1989. According to him, artificial breaks were created in his service by terminating him on the eve of the school vacations and thereafter reappointing him. The appellant states that he was terminated first before the summer vacations on 9/6/1990 and was re-engaged on 24/7/1990. His further case is that he was again terminated on 22/9/1990 on the eve of the Puja holidays. According to him, he was re-engaged on 1/11/1990 when the matter stood. Thus, the appellant, fearing further creation of artificial breaks, filed an application being OA number 209 of 1990 before the Central Administrative Tribunal Guwahati bench. He prayed for setting aside of the letters of termination dated 9/6/1990 and 19/9/1990 and also prayed for regularization of his service and for salary during the period of breaks. The tribunal passed an interim order and it is an admitted fact that he continued till 12/11/1994 when his services were again terminated after the tribunal had dismissed his application. The tribunal, while dismissing his application on 31st October 1994, solely relied on another order of the same tribunal passed on the same day in OA number 149 of 1989 in the case of Srimati Jayashri Debroy. Para 4 of the order in the appellant's case is important, which we extract herein. We have examined the question of regularization of substitute teachers in detail in our order on OA number 149 of 1989 passed today. We have come to the conclusion that the substitute teachers cannot claim regularization as a matter of right. We have also held that selection by the Railway Recruitment Board is essential for regular appointment. For the same reasons, we hold that the applicant is not valid. Moreover, in the instant case, although the applicant had appeared before the recruitment board, he was not selected. That does not entitle him to ask for any relief of regularization on the basis of his earlier service as substitute teacher OA number 149 of 1989 was carried in appeal to this court by way of civil appeal number 9000 of 1995 along with the batch of matters of similarly situated candidates which was disposed of on 13 October 1995. The operative portion of the said order reads as the appellants were therefore entitled to the benefit conferred under para 5.1 of the circular, and on that basis the appellants are entitled to absorption on regular basis through the process of screening by the screening committee in accordance with the said provision, and they are not required to face selection by the railway recruitment board for the purpose of regular absorption. The judgment of the tribunal holding otherwise cannot therefore be upheld and has to be set aside after the impugned judgment of the tribunal. The services of the appellants have been terminated. In the case of appellants are found suitable for absorption by the screening committee, they should be appointed on regular basis on the post that was held by them, and they would also be entitled to continuity of service. The appeals are therefore allowed. The judgments of the tribunal in the applications filed by the appellants are set aside, and the said applications are allowed with the direction that the appellants shall be considered for absorption on regular basis on the post of assistant teacher by the screening committee in accordance with para 5.1 of the master circular, and in case the appellants are found suitable for such absorption by the screening committee, they shall be restored to the post held by them with continuity of service. The process of selection by the screening committee as per directions in this order shall be completed within a period of 3 months from the receipt of the copy of this order. A copy of this order be sent to the Chief Personnel Officer, Northeast Frontier Railway, Guwahati. By our order, we had directed that appointment may not be made on 6 posts of school teachers. The said order shall continue till the screening committee completes the process of screening. The appellant who carried the matter from the tribunal to this court, his matter was disposed of in allowing an opportunity. Stop.